My name is Yobarati Kunal from BMMA 1/1. Before I introduce you about my project, I would like to thank my lecturer Mr. Mohammed Noor bin Hisham, who gave us this wonderful opportunity and helped us to complete this project. I would like to thank my team members here, Ms. Nazira, who is our respectful secretary, Mr. Shafiq, Mr. Faris, and Mr. Zainal, who are my hardworking team members, and of course, personally, I'm the CEO of the Buncit Empire. Here I would like to introduce you a very charming project which is Adjustble Focus Light, where you can focus far objects and it helps us to focus things during night time. Usually this kind of project or this kind of product will be very helpful for our trackers, for fishers, because these kind of people love to travel at night and love to conduct their activity during night. And I hope with this kind of project or product, they will be easy to carry on their activity with safe. First of all, when you see the expensive or inexpensive, the price of this product, to be honest, we didn't spend much on this product. The goods we used to create this product, create this idea to improve this product is not much, not expensive. So I hope when this product is on the market, it won't be very expensive. This can be very affordable by locals, by our local fishers, marketers, trackers, and so on. Otherwise, this light is mainly, the best part of the light is it is waterproof, so it will be very safe for our fishers, trackers, and everyone. This is the guaranteed product where we can use underwater, because this is very finely waterproof. And I hope everyone can support and afford our project and product. Thank you so much.
Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera. Saya Nazira binti Mohsin, nombor matrik saya B09191008 BMMA Seksyen 1/1. Saya membentangkan planning, survey dan juga HOQ. Jadi untuk yang planning atau Gantt chart, kami ada 8 progressing task yang telah diselesaikan dalam tempoh 14 minggu. Setiap minggu kami proceed dengan task yang lain secara teratur. Selain itu, untuk survey pula kami klasifikasikan 2 kategori, iaitu umur dan juga pendidikan. Bagi soalan survey bagi umur, kami dapati responden dan lingkungan umur 26 tahun hingga 33 tahun paling tertinggi dan 34 hingga ke 41 tahun yang paling rendah. Before I proceed to read the question in our survey, I want to point out the main reason we did the survey is to find out customer problem and preference about flashlight. So the first question is, do you own a flashlight at home? And most of the respondent answered that they do have one. And then for the second question, how often you use the flashlight? And we got a neutral answer, which is rarely. For the third questions, most of the respondents agree about flashlight is eco-friendly. For the question number 4, the amount of respondents that have knowledge about CREE flashlight the highest. For question number 5, we find out respondents are prefer to have rechargeable batteries in their flashlight as the power source compared to the other option. In question number 6, we also find out about respondents have several issues about their flashlight, and mostly are low brightness and fragile. Next is we ask respondents what other method they use if they do not have flashlight, and mostly use smartphone flashlight, which is proof that respondents oftenly use smartphone flashlight, then candle, lighter and matches, because it is commonly to bring it anywhere. The reason that we got respondents said the other method to replace flashlight is not good enough, probably it is not have long time use power source, such as If we use smartphone flashlight, it is not stay longer because the batteries quickly ran out compared to flashlight. For question number 9, the respondent answer about their preference in buying a cheap flashlight and expensive flashlight are quite neutral. And for the last question, we find out that respondent preference about flashlight are more into great brightness and durable. Now I'm going to proceed with HOQ. Based on HOQ that we have done, we discover that the highest in total importance is type of material in the flashlight, and the second highest total importance are environment effect.
Hello, Assalamualaikum. Saya ni Muhammad Farid bin Ibrahim, P0919101419. Di sini saya ingin menerangkan sedikit tentang produk design specification, iaitu PDS. Company kami yang bernama Buncit Empire Enterprise, dan jenama produk kami adalah Adjustable Focus Light. So di sini adalah gun chart, di mana untuk membuat sesuatu produk. So di sinilah kita mencari kriterianya. So di sini ada 6, iaitu strong relation, medium relation, weak relation, weak negative, strong negative, weak positive. Ini berdasarkan relation ni adalah berhubung kait antara customer requirement dengan engineering requirement. So dari situ kita boleh terus jump kepada product identification. Product identification adalah kami adalah Adjustable Focusing Light, AFL. Function, adjust source of light, zoom in and out, long distance light. Fungsi untuk produk kami adalah untuk adjust brightness, zoom in dan zoom out, dan boleh memancarkan jarak jauh pancaran cahaya itu. Other function, AFL can be case that can keep anything because it has space that can open and close. So adjustable focusing light kami ni boleh menyimpan apa-apa barang yang mempunyai ruang di dalam kita orang punya produk ini. So the special features adalah waterproof, kalis air, light in weight, ringan, increase illuminance adalah peningkatan pencahayaan, different illuminance intensity adalah type of illuminance, easy to carry around, so ia senang dibawa ke mana saja. Key performance target adalah hold one torchlight in any time, can manually move by hand, boleh senang digunakan oleh jari-jari atau tangan kita, produce long distance light. Ini adalah fungsi utama kenapa kami buat produk ini. Dia boleh menghasilkan cahaya jarak jauh. Service environment adalah khusus untuk orang yang outdoor dan jungle, kerana dia orang ingin memancarkan pada waktu malam pada jarak jauh supaya dapat fokus cahaya itu dengan jelas pada jarak yang jauh lah. User training required adalah tiada. Sesiapa saja boleh guna produk kami ini. Key project deadline, masa untuk menyiapkan adalah 2 bulan saja. Physical description, minimum dimension adalah 113mm, maximum dimension 100 ialah 180mm. Ini berdasarkan AutoCAD dan dimension yang kita orang lukis. Mempunyai surface texture should be as smooth as the standard. Material adalah PVC. PVC adalah material yang senang didapat, ringan dan keras, dan bila jatuh so tidak akan mudah pecah atau retak. Transparency plastic to cover the AFL. Financial requirement, time to complete and key deadline 2 months. Pricing policing dalam kalangan plus minus RM20. Warranty adalah dalam jangka masa 3 bulan. Expected financial performance adalah 70%. So waranti adalah 3 bulan. Di dalam jangka masa 3 bulan, expected financial performance adalah 70%. Kita orang tidak ambil 100% kerana untuk menjaga jangka hayat bateri. Life cycle targets adalah useful life, 200 cycle of opening and closing. Cost installed and operation tiada. Maintenance schedule pun tiada. End of life strategy tiada. Market identification, market size adalah untuk engineering design project. Anticipated market demand tiada. Competing product, torchlight with adjustable. So kita orang ingin membuatkan torchlight ini dengan manual lah. Boleh di adjust focus, brightness, ketajaman, pencahayaan itu. Seterusnya, branding strategy, adjustable focusing light. Ini adalah branding nama projek kami. Social, political and legal requirement, safety and environment regulation, applicable government regulation for all intended markets. Standard pertinent product standard may have be applicable for OSHA. Safety and product liability, predictable unintended uses for the product. Safety level guideline applicable for company safety standards. So ini adalah safety, political and legal requirement untuk produk kami lah. Manufacturing specification, manufacturing requirements, use 100% Malaysian part. So bahan yang kami guna adalah 100% daripada Malaysia. Supplier adalah all manufacturing will needed to be contract with supplier. So barang yang kami perlukan ini semua untuk membuat sesuatu produk kami adalah daripada supplier yang kami hubungi. Itu saja daripada saya.
My name is Muhammad Syafiq bin Abdul Talib. My matric number is B0919100057. For 4.0 concept generation, 4.1 is function decomposition. Our product is adjustable focusing light, AFL. It have for power supply, we did not use any power supply. And for the work manually, we have to adjust by hand. AFL are using telescope theory. AFL can move forward and move backward. For the import force, AFL import human force. And for apply manifest theory, source of light must near with lens to focus light, and source of light must far from lens to unfocus the light. So for the morphology chart, we have the solution, 5 solution, and the sub function here. So for the color, we have clear black. For the material, we have PVC, functional, manual, resistant, water, and it does not transmit heat and cold. AFL generate by force. Torchlight type that can be used for AFL is circle phase. 4.3 concept brief. For the topic, preview adjustable focusing light to complete the final project for BMMA 13 to 3 engineering design courses. For the objective, to solve problem involving dim light without focusing on long distance. For the audience, we have everyone who use flashlight without adjustable lens, especially gardener, locator, backpackers, and so on. For the inside, the person who are finding manual or external lens in order to make their light for torchlight become more bright and more focused. And for the strategy, by comparing the price of the torchlight that already have adjustable lens, our adjustable focusing light AFL also have other magnetic, which is it can be as a case to save anything such as pencil, brush, and Colgate. And 4.4, we have weight rating here. So for the criteria, we have a function, long lasting, drain wells, stay clean, hold rough. For the manufacture, we have a PVC, a part processing cost, and for the assemble, we have handling, inserting, number of part. For the important weight, as you can see here, 15, 10, 10, 15, 10, 15, 5, 5, 5, 10. For the rating, 3, 3, 2, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. As you can see here, for the wave rating, and the total weight rating is 2.9. So that's all. So here we have the final drawing of adjustable focusing light, AFL. Here we have the case. The case is used to open and close the AFL. Here we have the two main components, which is used to move forward and move backward. It is to focus and unfocus the source of light. So here we have the lens. The lens is used to magnify the source of light. Then we have the final drawing of the dimension. The major circle have 33 mm radius, and the minor circle have 32 mm radius. And the minor component here have a 90 mm, and the major component here have also 90 mm. But at the middle of these two components, it have overlap 30 mm, and it made the major component have 90 mm and the minor component have 60 mm. The AFL can have a minimum dimension 113 mm and the maximum dimension 180 mm. So that's all. 5.0 Product Specification. Material cost. For the item we are using for AFL, we are using PVC 21 mm and the price is 1.5 ringgit. For the magnified lens, we have the price is 2.1 ringgit. And for hot glue gum, we have 0.5 cents. And the total for material cost we have here Rm 4.1 ringgit. And then for the sales price, we have to think about all of these, but we don't have any labor cost. We just have material costs and profit. For the general and administrative expenses and factory expenses and also sales and distribution overhead, we did not have. So for the costing, we will total the sales price is Rm 4.1 plus Rm 4, and the total sales price is 8.1 ringgit. That's all. Hi, so this is our final prototype for AFL. So this is used to focus the light and unfocus the light. So we have here the case to open and close the AFL. We have two main components to move forward and move backward. So here we have the lens to magnify the source of light. So you can see here, more closer. So this and this, yeah. So and this. So how to make it function? So here I have not this is not torchlight, just toy, so I can demonstrate to you how to use it. So if you want to focus the light, we just move forward, and to unfocus, we just move backward. So the limit to pull it we have here the line, the white line. So yeah, and then for the other function of AFL, we can save any part that we want to save in here, such as here I have my pen, then put over here, so we can adjust here the height, and then we close it, so we can took it at the back. So function right. So thank you. So I forgot to mention, AFL are using PVC as the main material to make it. PVC is strong and light in weight. PVC also cheap, and then it good insulator and fire resistant.
Assalamualaikum dan selamat sejahtera. Nama saya Zainal Syazani bin Zainal Anwar. Nombor ID saya B0919101667. Baiklah, hari ini saya akan berceritakan sedikit sebanyak tentang kami punya projek, iaitu Punca Empire, yang sedang mengusahakan tentang satu projek iaitu AFL ataupun Adjustable Focusing Light. Jadi projek yang kami sedang usahakan ia merupakan satu objek yang amat membantu untuk pada masa yang akan datang. Lagi-lagi untuk yang kerap pergi ke hutan ataupun yang kerap berjalan berseorangan pada waktu malam. Ini kerana projek kami adalah untuk membantu sesiapa yang dalam kegelapan. Malahan projek kami juga, jika dibangkitkan lagi, ia mungkin boleh digunakan di dalam air. Maksudnya kemungkinan besar di masa akan datang lampu kami itu juga boleh digunakan kepada diver-diver yang bekerja di dalam laut. Kerana lampu kami bukan sekadar terang, malahan kami boleh adjust, di mana lampu itu boleh di-adjust untuk kadar yang luas ataupun kadar yang tertumpu. Bermaksud, jika kadar yang luas, jarak penglihatan lampu itu akan lebih luas dan akan nampak terang. Jika lampu itu di-adjust untuk dalam keadaan yang tertumpu, maka sesuatu objek itu jika kita disuluh, ia akan nampak lebih terang. Jadi projek kami juga bukan setakat murah untuk yang kami lakukan sekarang ni, bukan sekadar murah, tapi ianya amat berguna dan amat mudah untuk semua pengguna. Jadi kami sarankan untuk orang ramai membeli kami punya produk. Ini kerana bukan sekadar untuk orang-orang yang pergi hiking, untuk orang yang pergi masuk hutan, orang yang berjalan malam, malah untuk pengguna-pengguna di rumah. Maksudnya kepada sesiapa yang tidak mempunyai torchlight ataupun lampu seperti torchlight kami, jadi anda disarankan untuk membeli dan boleh diletakkan di rumah anda. Jika berlaku sebarang lita pintas di rumah anda ketika waktu malam, ia juga dapat digunakan. Jadi akan membantu anda di saat-saat untuk anda menghadapi kegelapan. Produk kami akan membantu anda untuk menerangi anda di kala waktu gelap. Sekian, terima kasih, itu sahaja daripada saya.